railway carriage. Warm up. Read the title. What do you think the poem is about? Have you been on a train? Close your eyes and think about the moving scene outside a train window. Take turns in class to describe one image that crossed your mind. Example: I saw a tea vendor run past the window. I saw tall trees flash past. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gasses. And there is the green for shrinking the diocese. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Robert Louis Stevenson. Robert Louis Balfour Stevenson, 13 November 1850, 3rd December 1894, was a Scottish novelist, poet, essayist, musician, and travel writer. His famous works are Treasure Island, Kidnapped, Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll, and Mr. Hyde, and A Child's Garden of Verses.